What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey, so I just finished recording the review video for the Unwrap Air Jordan 5 Retro Dusks. And again, dope quality on that sneaker. By far my favorite pair of the Unwrap collaborations. All the other ones, even the ones I own, don't compare to that pair right there. I love that colorway. I love the quality on that sneaker. Hands down, dope. My favorite Unwrap collab. So, but before we get into what today's sneaker review and what this video sneaker review is gonna be, let's get ahead and sit there and thank y'all again for sitting there and watching the videos, liking the channel, sharing the channel, subscribing to the channel, and clicking on that notification bell. I appreciate y'all. Views are still going up, subscribers are still going up, and it looks like y'all like a lot of foam posit videos. And unfortunately, I ain't got a lot of foams to go over because, of course, we just, we're about to get the anthracite released again. I think either next week or the week after in December, and then we got the eggplants that are rumored for next year. Which I don't know if I'm gonna cop the eggplants. They're an OG, yes, but that purple color, I don't know how I feel about that. But definitely the Galaxy next year. That's definitely the release. But it looks like also there's been a lot of restocks of some foams that released this year. I just saw an alert for DTLR. They had a restock of the Dream World, the black Dream World pair. I know that I just a couple of days ago saw a restock of the metallic red release that released on, I think it was either on END or one of the sneaker boutiques out in Europe. They had a restock of those, and they were selling below retail, which was crazy. I was like, oh, people slipping and missing all these red metallics. But hey, we're not all foam heads. It's definitely a certain kind of liking to like the foams, but we'll get to review those if I'm able to cop them whenever they release. So, but that's not the sneaker or silhouette we're gonna review today. Today's silhouette, today's sneaker. Basically, I got this pair about a week ago. I was able to hit on the shock drop that they do. And by the way, what is up with this giving you a heads up on a shock drop by Nike? I mean, do y'all feel the same way about it? I mean, is it really a shock drop if you're telling me, hey, I'm about to release these in 15 minutes, or I'm gonna release these at 1 o'clock, or I'm gonna release these at 1:30? Is it really a shock drop? Nah, man, come on, Nike, let's do better than that. Let's go back to dropping them shock without giving us a head up. Just drop them, period, boom. All right. Anyway, again, if you follow, the sneakers that have been shock dropped recently, so you might be thinking about some other ones that shock dropped recently, but it's not. It's only this pair right here, which I'm glad I was able to hit. So it's in this box. Boom. Now, this is definitely not one of the regular boxes they released these silhouette in. They did sort of kind of about a few years back release them with this hole in the front right here, but the box definitely looked different. But if you've got them already and hit on the shock drop, you know what sneaker this is. So let me go ahead and just read them off to you. All right, this is the Air Jordan 11 Retro. Color is white, metallic gold black, and it is a size 10. And ladies and gents, in front of me, I have the Air Jordan 11 Retro, what they've been dubbed the Gratitudes. And beautiful, all right? Beautiful sneaker. So here they go right there. All right, y'all. So as most of y'all know, these are definitely a retro release of the DMPs, which of course was the only release for those, and this definitely is a close resemblance to the DMPs, but definitely has some different aspects and features to the shoe this time around. So while it's got the gold hints from the DMPs, definitely some of the other things on the sneaker are different from the OG release. But we'll go over that on the up close and personal look at these. But overall, the sneaker, I mean, it's an 11. It is the holiday season release 11. You guys know that they saturate the market with, making millions of pairs. I mean, 2 million. I think the rumor I heard on these was about 3 million pairs. Everybody gonna be able to get them. Of course, though, the resellers are gonna try to bottom up and get as many as in their closet, so that they can sit there and uptick. But hey, if you want them, there's definitely a lot of ways to get them. I just actually won my stock pair on the Finish Line exclusive access. So all I gotta do is pick them up this Saturday, and boom, I got them in hand. So again, up close, the sneaker is beautiful. We'll talk about the differences in the up close and personal. And other than that, I'm happy I copped. I'm so happy. I mean, I always cop at least 2 or 3 pairs of the holiday 11s, just so I can keep them on, 2 on ice and 1 to wear. These I won't wear right away. I definitely am gonna put the sole protector because of the sole on these, and I'll rock them in January, February. So we'll see how that goes. All right, let's get these in front of the camera, get you the up close personal look at these, and get y'all opinions and everything. Make sure y'all leave any comment or anything in the comment section, and if you agree with me or not on the up close. So let's get to this up close look. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us, we have the Air Jordan 11 Retro Gratitudes. Now, of course, again, these are DMP re-releases, but with some definitely changes. So we can't really call them DMPs anymore, but we'll get to that here shortly. First of all, of course, you got your Jordan 11 box. Sorry for the focus in and out. We got the 11 box, and we got the, basically, they always go out for the Jordan 11 boxes. So here we got the inside of the lid. You got your regular, or not your regular, but your wrapping on the paper, the sneakers, and it's got some words on them, different, pretty much different languages, just saying thank you. It looks like grazie, thank you, and whatnot. So, all right, let's get back to the box. Let's get into the actual sneakers. So here, boom, we got the Jordan 11 Gratitudes, and let's go over these differences that they have from the actual DMPs. So first off, let's go ahead and turn them sideways. Is the definitely different uppers. On the OGs, these were all mesh, and also the patent leather wasn't as high on the OGs. We got the gold that was there from the OGs, and then the clear sole is different. It's a little bit yellow on these pairs. So other than that, the sneaker is definitely one to cop. It is a must-have in your collection. The quality, I mean, I love the tumble leather looking like that. And I know a lot of people aren't fans of the leathers on the uppers of some of these 11s, but I'm okay with it. This definitely looks good. If it was crappy, like that smooth, just flat looking leather, I would agree with most of y'all about it, but the leather on these is dope. And, most part, this sneaker, definitely the quality on them so far for a mass-produced pair is definitely good. You got your carbon fiber. You got the noise on there, carbon fiber right there. You got the sole of an 11, and dope. It's only, it's a good. I'm happy with these 11s. They really don't disappoint on the holiday 11s, so they try to keep the quality on them, because they, even with them mass producing them like they do, they try to keep the best quality on these so that people don't sit there and, get mad about them. So, but this is definitely a must cop, y'all. You got to go out there and get them, because, and it's going to be readily available. I think that I remember seeing somewhere that they said they're going to have about 3 million pairs of these. So, hey, they're going to be out there for y'all to cop. So, one more thing before I forget, you got your 23 on the back end in gold. But, yep, and then of course your jump man right there. Something that I recently learned that I really didn't pay a lot of attention to is that I think after 2017, 2018, like the Jumpmans on the back, before they used to face only one direction, where I believe it was, you know, I forget which way it was, the orientation, but if this one was facing, you know, this way, then this one will also face that same direction. But after like 2018, 2017, they changed that, and it's now facing the opposite directions. And just to show, all right, y'all, sorry, I had to take a real quick intermission so I could sit there and pull these out. So basically, if you look at the Win-like 82s, you see how the Jumpman is phasing in the right direction. But anything after like 2017, 2018, you got the Jumpman going like these Gratitudes got them. So just a little tidbit, you know, things that I'm not gonna sit here and proclaim that I know everything. Learn, you know, something new every day. All right, y'all, well, let me know what y'all think about the sneakers down in the comment section. Y'all agree with me or disagree with me? You guys are gonna cop these, double up on these. What y'all think about the pair of shoes? All right, y'all? Well, let's get these back in front of the camera so we can finish out the final thoughts on them, and we take it from there. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was a review for the Air Jordan 11 Retro Gratitudes. Of course, people still want to call them DMPs, but really can't, because some of the, you know, there's some good differences, some big differences from the OGs to that, so you really can't call them DMPs. So, but these are the Gratitudes. Definitely a good looking pair to keep in the collection, and you guys know I love 11s too. I'm happy to have these and cop these on the shock drop. So, all right, well, I want to sit here and thank y'all for sticking, you know, through the whole video, sticking through the whole review. Appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button, help your boy out. Make sure I leave some comments in the comment section. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell. Your boy appreciates every time you guys click in. Got more videos, got more reviews coming. All you gotta do is give me some time, y'all. I've got maybe one more pair of reviews of sneakers to catch up on everything that I've gotten. I still gotta do my collection on the Air Jordan 5s, which I've got sitting out. I just gotta sit here and do them. And a ton of Lego to sit there and do time lapses on. So, all right, well, told y'all the plan. It's coming. Just sit there and hold tight. Please don't hold your breath to you know, for me to upload these videos, but they're coming. So just give me some time, y'all. All right. Well, there's nothing more left to say other than, as always, it's your boy Josh. We on the KicksOnFire channel. We got the Air Jordan 11 Retro Gratitudes. So keep it locked in. And until next time, holla at your boy.